grinding your coffee just before brewing is a must. But how do you actually grind? Flipping the switch on an expensive electric grinder or cranking a hand grinder for precision? Why should you even need to choose? Meet ARCO, bridging the gap between the luxury of an electric grinder and the freedom of a precision hand grinder. ARCO's revolutionary grind setting system lets you dial your brew all the way from Ibrick to cold brew. Consistency is the key to great coffee. Fine and coarse particles in the same grind will kill your flavors. ARCO breaks the beans into thousands of uniform particles. That's what makes the difference. We have combined smart engineering and premium materials found in professional grinders. The result is a sturdy, precise, and powerful grinder to handle the toughest beans, no matter how you crank it.
ARCO is built to give you freedom to grind coffee at home or on the go, professionally. An engineering innovation with goat story design touch. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. We welcome you to back this project and change the way you grind. Forever.
Introducing Hiku, the best hand grinder for your coffee ritual. Using a precision-machined, hardened stainless steel burr, significantly larger and with far more grinding surface area than other handheld grinders. Hiku grinds at unparalleled speed without sacrificing precision or quality. An infinitely adjustable stepless control gives you the freedom to dial in the perfect grind. And a 50-gram bean capacity means that there's always enough for everyone. Hiku is the first hand grinder to use a special wave spring that helps keep the burr precisely aligned and perfectly concentric, resulting in outstanding grind consistency. And with a premium rangefinder camera lens inspired design, it feels as incredible as it looks. We've obsessed over the engineering, design, and aesthetics of Hiku as much as you obsess over each cup of coffee. Hiku, stop compromising.
Cuisinart is revolutionizing the kitchen appliance world once again with the touchscreen burr grinder. Intuitive touchscreen controls on the burr grinder let coffee lovers choose the number of cups you want to brew, and it dispenses exactly the amount you need. The 18-position grind selector lets you choose from ultra-fine for espresso to extra coarse for French press-style coffee and all coffee types in between. The premium burr grinder includes manual grind control, a half-pound removable bean hopper, and a chamber big enough to hold ground coffee for 32 cups, ensuring you get the freshest ground coffee possible. When the grinder is not in use, only the power button will be illuminated, giving a sleek, streamlined appearance to any kitchen. Bring an ultra-sleek look to your kitchen with the Cuisinart touchscreen burr grinder.
Do you have a unique taste in coffee? Well, so do we. Now, we all know a good cup of coffee can make us instantly focus, free our minds, or maybe take pleasure in the little things in life. I prefer personally grinding it and brewing it with a selection of beans that I've collected over time. Now finally, with the SóloCano 6-in-1 portable coffee maker, you're gonna have everything you need to make good quality coffee.
We took months of testing and optimization to find the perfect formula for the perfect coffee on the go. The SóloCano seamlessly integrates grinder, kettle, drip, container, and stylish vacuum-insulated mug all in one. You'll be impressed by the handmade quality craftsmanship as well as the convenience it brings. SóloCano is easy to carry. The intelligent electric grinder is able to make up to 12 cups of coffee when fully charged. Put in your favorite beans, adjust the grinding level to best suit your needs from fine to coarse, and grind at the touch of a button. You can easily find the ideal extraction rate to ensure that every single cup of coffee has the best taste. The feeling of grinding beans by hand is genuinely amazing, especially when you're stressed. The lid can be transformed into its simple kettle, which is made of non-toxic PP materials. It's durable and super easy to clean. This stylish vacuum-insulated mug is made of seamless 316 stainless steel. No need to worry about your coffee going sour in minutes. At SóloCano, we aren't satisfied with anything less than the best. SóloCano allows you to enjoy drinking good coffee, but also the pleasure of making it. And you got to know that the secret to making good coffee is freshly made by you. Please back us on Indiegogo and fall in love with coffee once more with SóloCano. Thank you.